Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best toy aquarium is probably one of the most captivating and educational additions you can make to your child's room, offering a mesmerizing glimpse into the underwater world without the commitment of a real aquarium. These miniature aquatic environments, often featuring realistic-looking fish and bubbling water effects, provide endless hours of visual stimulation and can even serve as a calming presence, making them a fantastic choice for sparking curiosity and imagination in young minds. Imagine the wonder on your child's face as they watch colorful fish glide through their own personal ocean, learning about marine life in a fun and interactive way. Number 5. VTech Learn and Spin Aquarium. Get ready for an underwater adventure. This interactive aquarium spins, lights up, and plays music with just a simple push. It's a world of fun waiting to be discovered. Watch as adorable ocean friends playfully swim and spin inside. The colorful lights flash, creating a mesmerizing display that will captivate your little one. It's a delightful aquatic show. Every time the plunger is pressed, a playful phrase, a fun sound, or a short tune is activated. It encourages interaction and keeps the excitement going with every push. 3 colorful buttons are designed to introduce animals, colors, and numbers. It makes learning engaging and fun through music and interactive play. Your child will love exploring. The crab, fish, and starfish come to life, singing songs in their own playful sea animal voices. It's a musical journey into the ocean depths, filled with cheerful melodies. What we like? This toy is perfect for little ones who love interactive play. It spins, lights up, and plays music with a simple push, making it engaging for babies and toddlers. If you're looking for a toy that combines sensory stimulation with early learning about animals and sounds, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It teaches colors, numbers, and little facts in the sweetest, baby-friendly way. The lights are bright but not overwhelming, and the volume control is a lifesaver for us parents. The bright colors, spinning pieces, and sounds keep little ones entertained while helping with fine motor skills and early learning. It's sturdy, easy for small hands to use, and holds my toddler's attention really well. Sea creatures spin around. Babies learn counting in colors as objects spin. Number 4. Playlearn Mini Aquarium with Moving Fish. Introducing a stunning mini aquarium, perfect for any space in your home or office. Enjoy the beauty of an aquarium without any of the usual maintenance. It features 3 colorful LED lights and a captivating ocean background to create the illusion of a real coral reef. This brings a touch of the ocean to you. Simply fill it with water and add a drop of dish soap to watch the artificial fish swim gracefully. It's powered by USB or batteries for your convenience. The set includes the tank and 3 artificial fish, ready to bring life to your room. Just add water and a touch of soap to get started. This compact aquarium provides all the visual appeal of a real one, but with none of the work. It's a perfect decorative piece. As a USA-based company, we are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you need any assistance, our customer service team is here to help. What we like? This is a great option for anyone who wants the aesthetic of an aquarium without the maintenance. Its compact size makes it ideal for desks, shelves, or small spaces. If you desire a calming visual display that requires minimal effort and adds a touch of tranquility to your room, this is the one for you. What people say. You have the option to plug it in or use batteries. I am using batteries and it works great. It makes a very quiet little soothing hum, the lights look good and the background picture is very vivid. The little fish swim around pretty well, it's not too much of a pattern. It's actually quite adorable. It gives off just the right amount of light, without being obnoxious and bright. The floating fishies make her feel a little less alone. The brightness isn't powerful but can light up a section where it's placed. Easy to clean of course because they aren't real lol. Number 3. Lightahead Artificial Mini Aquarium. Immerse yourself in the peace and calm of the ocean with this unique sensory aquarium. It's a perfect alternative to a traditional fish tank, bringing a touch of the sea into your home. Watch as colorful artificial fish swim rhythmically, creating a beautiful, tranquil, and soothing deep-sea ambience. This gentle movement can help reduce stress and anxiety. This is a great sensory stimulation product for children, adults, and seniors, including those with special needs like dementia, ADHD, and autism. It may help improve mood and well-being. Featuring 3 colorful LED lights and an ocean background, it creates the illusion of a real coral reef. Simply add water and a few drops of detergent to bring it to life. Powered by batteries or an included cable, it's easy to set up in any room. It also doubles as a night light, helping children sleep peacefully. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an ideal present for anyone who loves sea life or wants to add a unique design statement to their home. What we like? This product offers a unique sensory experience, creating a peaceful and tranquil deep-sea ambience. The rhythmic movement of the colorful fish and gentle lighting are designed to reduce stress and anxiety. If you or someone you know could benefit from a calming visual aid, especially children, adults, or seniors with special needs, this is an excellent choice for promoting well-being. What people say. The fish swim around using the motion of the motor-blown water. It's incredibly silent, and the only sounds I ever hear is the occasional clink of one of the plastic fish as it bangs against the side of the tank. The 3 LED lights and the decorative backsplash are nice touches that make the aquarium seem more realistic. The plastic is thick, the edges are smooth, and the motor runs very quietly. Number 2. Jorumo Fish Tank Building Block Aquarium Set. Immerse yourself in a vibrant underwater world with this unique building block set. It vividly recreates an Atlantis aquarium scene, complete with marine life and stunning lighting. Experience the magic of the ocean even in the dark. 2 built-in night lights create a mysterious atmosphere, making it a perfect table ornament. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, these blocks are designed for durability and safety. They ensure a tight fit without deformation or fading, meeting international environmental standards. For marine life enthusiasts who prefer a maintenance-free display, this set allows you to build your dream underwater world. It's the perfect, eye-catching decoration for any space. This STEM-focused building toy is more than just fun. It enhances hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and stimulates creativity and imagination in children. Discover rotatable jellyfish, colorful fish, and intricate coral reefs. The detachable background and steerable jellyfish offer dynamic and customizable scenes. What we like? This is a fantastic choice for those who love both building and marine life. It allows you to construct your own underwater world with a variety of sea creatures and unique lighting. If you're looking for a creative STEM project that doubles as a stunning decorative piece and a fun activity for older kids and adults, this building block aquarium is perfect. What people say. The Fish Tank Building Block Set is a creative and educational toy that allows both adults and kids to construct their own miniature aquarium. Lighting feature. One notable feature of this particular set is the inclusion of lighting elements. These lights can simulate the appearance of underwater lighting in the miniature aquarium, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Built This is so cool, working lights and everything. Number 1. Dry Branch Sports Catch and Release Beach Aquarium Kit. Unleash your child's curiosity with this educational aquarium kit. It's designed to spark a love for learning about aquatic life and ecosystems. This kit encourages a sense of responsibility towards nature. The catch and release feature teaches valuable lessons about respecting and preserving wildlife. Its unique screen lid allows for safe submergence, facilitating underwater exchange for your aquatic friends. This ensures a healthy environment for both sea creatures and land dwellers. Observe and learn about different species in their temporary home. It fosters respect by teaching the importance of studying and returning them gently to their natural habitat. This clear aquarium kit provides an engaging and interactive way to explore marine and freshwater environments. It's perfect for hands-on learning and fostering a connection with the natural world. What we like? This kit is designed to educate and inspire a love for nature and conservation. It encourages hands-on learning about marine life through a catch-and-release mechanism. If you want a toy that teaches children about respecting and returning creatures to their natural habitat while fostering curiosity, this educational aquarium kit is an ideal pick. What people say. The clear plastic design allows young beachcombers to observe and catch small sea creatures safely, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity about marine life. The catch and release feature promotes environmental responsibility by encouraging children to appreciate and then release the creatures back into their natural habitat. The durability of this plastic and the rope handle is incredible. The plastic is super thick so you don't have to worry about it crushing in, and the handle material is super thick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.